Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable incognito mode in Google Chrome. So by enabling incognito mode in Google Chrome, it will allow you to browse the web without saving your browsing history, cookies, site data, or form inputs. And this is how you can do it. If you want to enable incognito mode on desktop, you can just open the Chrome and then click on this three dots menu at the top. And here you can just select on new incognito window. Okay, so a new incognito window will be open and you'll notice a dark theme in here and a message that states you've gone incognito. And here along with the details about what is and what isn't saved. So you can now just browse privately. When you are done, you can just close the incognito window to end the session. You can also do it on mobile by following the same steps, and you can also use shortcut in if you are using Windows. You can just press on Control plus Shift and then plus N on your keyboard. So the incognito will what it does is that it doesn't save your browsing history, like I said before, cookies, site data, and form inputs, and the downloads and bookmarks are saved to your device. But what it doesn't do is that it doesn't make your anonymous online, so your ISP, employer, or school can still track your activity. It doesn't protect you from websites that track your activity. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can enable incognito mode on Chrome. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.